So we are really sad that Mr. Gonley will be leaving us. Thank you very much for everybody who have come here. Today is his last day, so kind of feel like crying, but I'm really sorry.
Don't
My
cry.
tears come out.
You're not allowed to cry.
Birthday.
Hey, arrange a lighter. Okay, say something na.
Thank you so much, guys, for organizing this farewell party for me.
Tera phone.
Who is that guy?
Thank you.
Stephen? Huh? Come here. I haven't seen you.
Stephen Ho.
Wish you a bright future ahead.
अभी ऐसे से हो गई मैं
I will just my hand.
My phone is in this area. अरे मैं डर गई तेरा फोन मेरे पे था मुझे लगा मैं
Recommend me also for work from home job, okay? Hello, welcome back to our channel. Mayam ngasi se ai ge office ke last day ore. I resign ai ge company de gajik ai resign tawre ko. Notice period na han de ge serve taw galai bani ngasi se last day. Ore na ngasi na ai ge office sak do ba se last ore. Ai soji ai ge company se de ge ko IE de ge. Dun ngasi last day of office ke blog ena taw rake kamai taw ba kamai na companies ko bye bye tawni haibado ren video da mate don namake video cha hobada gi loi pho yang bio. I hope it will be interesting. Let's go. How to say? Let's go. Hojik ti sang ase si aroi ba numit ki office ngasi si tiffin pura pura ngasi oksa thongma tiffin pura last day gitamak this is the sang ising lawra ne to ising lawra ga manung sang ase. Let's go, let's go. It's last day, what it is? Manung đi đâu đấy? Sai hết, chứ chứ. Nó bán nó kia sao đây? Thì manung sang nó sai bao hồi này. Cây rồi. Giờ đây là hấp phăm mà bao thà cả mà thắc lô ra cả rồi. Xin lại. Break to cray, how's saksa na bahore, sida. Yang kasi lo.
Hey, lao, is that? Ah.
Saksa bahore. Ai, ab more okay. Kita sanya katang khata na nahi, do je. Saksa se lo. Ek block mein. उस ऑफिस के लास्ट डे के ब्लॉक ने लास्ट डे ब्लॉक atau bakal lapang ngairi ayam lana seminarnya sapi have more okay hello
This still is spicy, yeah?
see this is the last day's dinner party. Oksada du sab-saba na.
Oh, soda, okay.
Oksada siguro masaba kung basi ko.
Yeah.
Tsaka tabi.
Thank you. The pork is so good. A1.
A plus.
A plus, yeah, seriously. So good.
Salo. Let's enjoy the food first. Empty.
Oh, kalas.
All khatam.
We eat like there is no tomorrow, you know.
And this is the last man standing. Still standing tall and doing with the roti.
Yeah, Mr. Cognac, you know. I'm sorry. Mr. Santa.
Kali. See, dal, as you guys know, dal is dal. It should left out. Loire, sabi kre, thoram ngasi gi swada lotion bi kre. Makata ba, yung minasi. First batch saba lo kre, second batch. Kaya thay na lako sige mo second batch saba hore. Gusto na sa aro eh.
exchange.
Sana gibet salit sa bahaw bro. How man magiwa sa ngam dire na.
Tali se sa cũng là sao tali này.
Sa ni hay na khan laga sa batara.
Yo, sao mà thao đâu bro. Masih matak chalaga photo ka pusin ha.
Yai.
Matak da ha.
Hai, matak ta.
Second floor da.
Hai. Hazak sa ba loi ga ma pan na thori. Na ha walking san mai. Khoi ge party ji. Long lost friend. Kasi ke last day ni. Ito na maya.
Agad.
Kumbiri.
Apa megang mah?
Barabais photo ni cuy. Mana tu? Oh, hatu par kan? Auto rickshaw na gaya ni rickshaw tar arah tu ni.
Berapa sayaถ่ายผมแน่
Barabais tadi.
रिक्शा नों तो थान में थाई नहीं
Barabais kau ni tu kan?
गेट ना को पड़े ना
Pansau get tu ta.
अन्य देश में बंग गए थे तनी
Nari sini mam.
ใส่นางร้านที่สร้างถ่ายได้ลงนี้มาอยากปลาปั้นมาไงได้ไหม
Betul kan?
ได้มา
Bye. First break loi re हम का खा के. तो हरन second break हम थोड़ा कनी. Mana tahu ngasih football lah ya, itu na football match sih, yang masih thora kani. Sang ke? So let's go back, right?
See you in a second break.
Inshallah. No, in the meantime we'll come out for football match.
Sure.
Inshallah. See you in
Half
this
an hour later.
after some time. No much.
He is trying to treat us na.
Last day video.
One and only.
Malik.
Tuko.
Genevieve.
Oh, it's video or what? What the?
Yeah, it's video.
It's video.
his photo
Guys, it's Gongmei farewell. Say Gongmei goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Gongmei. Goodbye and come again.
Come again another day.
Revoke your resignation.
चलो चलो आई xong ra rồi thắt cái floor đó coi nó sẽ đến đi cái đồng rồi si background suy ai này Khoi mayam này đi sita kana này bro yung ai cái farewell cái tàu bi cái này ai ikai na siya da ikai na siya da kan de
bang Perako
mi lang pangai ri mi ka sudri ai oi waiting agya our boss sagya who are they
Welcome back to another vlog. This is Gongmei last day. So we're cutting the cakes, which is organized by the Fred Musician. He's gonna learn. The camera holder is Victor, by the way. So zoom over there. That is Mr. Gongmei, and these are his colleague, and that is the cake. Gongmei farewell party. After 5 years in Ireland, we're going to leave. So
why not
we are really sad that Mr. Gongmei will be leaving us. Thank you very much for everybody who have come here. Today is his last day, so kind of feel like crying, but I'm really sorry.
Don't
My
cry.
tears come out.
You're not allowed to cry.
हैप्पी बर्थडे ठीक है ओह इट्स रिटन हैप्पी
free birthday
ओह ब्यूटीफुल
free birthday
ए अरेंज लाइटर मैं अपना फोन
No lighter.
I will sing happy birthday and happy farewell.
my friends know that kami Diwali mana hai
तभी कम खाएंगे सब भाई अक्सर बैंड बजवाएंगे भाई।
वॉशरूम जाके वो Here's a fan, no?
Yeah, yeah. It has been turned off. So go on with this.
Happy birthday.
Let it. Lighter ना चल रहा है। मैं करूँगी please.
I'll let you do. I'll check.
चल कर। He's turning it off ना. This is for this guy. See, अरे बंद कर दे। एक लाइटर नहीं चला। उधर से देख लो, उधर से। वो वाला ना हो।
Do it.
Gone as soon as I light it up, just blow it, okay? Gone में go for it. What should we sing for you? Happy farewell.
No. We don't want to switch. Thank you so much, guys.
You blow ना, अब your head is blown automatically. Go for it, gone में now, blow it. Gone में. आजा
कर दिया ब्लो कर दिया
अरे ट्रिक ना, no one gave you the money.
So you want to say something?
Life has been given.
Gongmai, you want to say something?
Yeah, gone made so last day finally.
say something and then we will see something. You guys gonna make me cry, yeah?
No, please. Don't cry.
Yeah, this is yours. जलाऊं क्या फिर से? What do you want to say? जल्दी है लाइटर देने की.
Okay.
Lighter do दोबारा.
He has already given it. He has given it back. Let's imagine this is Jali. Or just give it. Or just give it if you don't like it like this.
It's okay.
Okay, say something na.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, for organizing this small farewell party for me.
तेरा phone मेरे पास है.
Welcome. And you all have been so much good to me from the last few years since we joined here.
Yeah.
And I will be remembering you all, guys.
You can mention special names as well.
Like mine.
Like mine.
If I have to mention the name, it's everyone, obviously.
It's everything. See, we are lighting it again for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You keep go on with your speech, please.
Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here.
कोई नहीं, अब ना पूछेगी.
And I'll be surely missing you all.
We'll also miss you.
Yeah.
And
And
it's
I
okay.
wish all of you as well who are staying safe. You all stay happy,
You too.
and everyone get a full potential of you and enjoy the best of your life. And also, I wish you all a very bright future as well. And yeah,
It's
maybe we might meet again in
Yeah.
the future. This
Definitely.
is not the.
We'll meet again.
We will surely meet again.
Yes,
We will meet again when you will have a child, okay?
So shall I cut it now then? You can brutally cut it. Thank you so much for organizing this. And I will even cut cake in my birthday as well. Okay, this is the first time I'm cutting cake. And this is so special for me, and I love you all.
Don't laugh us, don't laugh us.
पानी आ गया.
कटेगा कब कटेगा कब?
मैं सोच रही हूँ कौन में तो पूरा ही काट रहा है.
जाने से पहले हिस्सा करके जाएगा सबके हिस्सा
कौन
करके
में
जाएगा.
से
How shall we eat? Shall I pick anyone?
You can feed anyone you want.
feed yourself first.
Feed yourself.
Gone में
Myself.
before this is gone. Have a bright future ahead. तो खाएगा?
नहीं
खा ले. भाई चॉकलेट है खा ले.
नहीं
कितना जल्दी दबा गई.
Who is that guy?
Stephen? Huh? Kamaya. I haven't seen you.
Stephen Wong.
Wish you a bright future ahead.
अभी ऐसे सेव हो गई मैं गलती से.
कुछ बात को वाला काम होगा. I was just.
My phone is in this.
Bye bye.
भाई मैं डर गई, तेरा फोन मेरे पे था, मुझे लगा मैं
Recommend me also for work from home job. Okay.
Very good. Go. So. I know. It's okay. Bring the cake for me as well.
For capturing the video for me.
Thank you.
खा ले बहन खा ले
यार अपना फोन हटेगी तो
Thank you so much for the cake. The cake is so tasty. Yes, this will be in my vlog. First vlog. This will be my life.
I'll be featuring on your blog, huh?
Yeah, this will be my farewell day, last day of vlogging. Okay. Will be in my YouTube channel.
Back to my channel.
Hello guys, cake खा लो.
Featuring
Khalo,
the
khalo,
Pansha,
cake
This
khalo.
girl, that boy, and this girl. Yay!
और से देखिए
If you guys don't know, can you guys just introduce yourself? Just your name.
This is
Hello guys,
Gonme's
my name is
favorite
Utkarsh.
Mehak. Gonme's
Gonme
favorite-
student.
Gonme's favorite Mehak. While you guys are introducing yourself, let me
This is
eat the cake.
Kancha China.
This is
वो खा रही है वो और बच नहीं पाएगा उसमें पहले खाना है. This is the Kansha Stadium. Please subscribe.
Sapakarai.
To Gonme's channel and enjoy. Enjoy the cake.
And here's Mr. Sapi, as always.
Hi.
He's been in my vlog always.
Thank you so much.
आज्ञा कर ले.
ओ खा लो.
तू भी खा ले.
मैं तो यहाँ पर
और खा ले भाई.
बंद हो गया.
कोई नहीं, घर जाके तो बंद नहीं हो जाना, फिर पूरा ऊपर ही.
Gonme, we were thinking of why.
have some.
Are you sure?
Sure?
Anyone?
Himanu खा ले.
Himatu, there's a small piece of cake for you. Thank you. Why are you recording me?
I'm recording
Every time
everyone.
I pick a piece of cake, you
Zoom
record
करना,
me.
zoom करना, zoom.
I'm taking everyone.
Zoom.
The one who ate the
Go
most.
to zoom.
Eating the cake, can you just give me some few words for my future?
For your future?
Kind of like blessing for me.
Yeah. I think the greatest blessing for you will be अबे खाने देना having a baby. So I really wish you have a baby very soon, like
She's
right
very
after
eager
9
for
or
you to
10.
have a baby.
Yeah, right after 9 or 10 months, and may you get
More eager than you.
what you are wanting, like
Thank
in
you.
terms of gender, and may you have a great future. Arey, I have to see here. I'm looking at your face every time.
Yes,
may
look
you
at
have
my
a great. Okay, may you have
May
a
you have
great.
so much money.
Yeah, may you earn a
Then
lot
give us
of
some
lot of money.
Money. A lot of money.
May you get to spend a lot of time with your family, with your wife, with your parents. May you get busy with the field work, the
And you
the
get
planting
good
trees and
opportunities
gardening
in
things type. And what else can we say for you? May you find peace while
you.
being alive. And that's it from my side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you
Ask
so
him,
much.
Ask him now. Wait, sir.
Utkarsh, do you have anything to say for me?
तुझसे ना जाओ. जहाँ भी जाओ हमें याद करना और जॉब हो तो हमें बुला लेना. चाहे पहले थोड़ा थोड़ा जल्दी ज़्यादा हो.
And to be honest, I really wanted to reunite with your family. I don't want you to stay here anymore.
Thank you so
Go
much.
back to your
And
place.
congratulations you
Not
your
because,
bail. Okay?
not because you're a competition.
I got a bail from this jail.
Usually you go on a parole. Now you are properly bailed. Bailed out. Bailed out. Your case is dismissed.
Tung tung dismiss. Thank you so much.
And do visit Shirui Lily wala hill
Yeah, Shiri Hill.
and make a vlog on that also.
Yes, I'm hoping for that.
Put a stone of Akanta City there.
Kansas City.
टप्पा लगा था मैं पेड़
Name
में
a flower.
पेड़
Name
में
a
लिख देना।
shitty flower after me there. Okay.
Okay.
वहाँ पे कोई पेड़ हो ना उस पे नाम बोल देना इसका विद एड्रेस
Akansha.
So these are the 3 main organizers for my farewell party. Thank you so much, guys.
We have eaten the cake the most.
It was delicious.
It was delicious. It was so nice. And I'm so
Chocolate cake.
proud of you guys.
चलो अब सब सॉस
Nurasiti thoka se pansao tora se pansao tori Mr. Chalo, let's go. Okay.
So this
Finally.
guy is last day and I'm seeing him last time. I don't know when I will see him again.
Let's just
Maybe
last
when I will go to his town, I will see him there.
Okay. All right then. Enjoy.
Okay. You
All
also
the
enjoy
best.
and don't start working from tomorrow. Okay?
No,
Take
no.
a few days week off.
Maybe I will
Just chill.
till next week. But
Yeah.
next week I don't know.
Take a chill pill, man.
Chalo, bye bye. We'll miss you.
Documents अभी तो दिए नहीं होंगे.
नहीं,
45 days बाद.
कल आएगा उसके बाद
कल भी आना है. कल कैसे आना है?
दिन में आएगा HR को मीट करेगा
अच्छा.
वो हेडसेट है सब
सब लेके जा.
I bring back my headset again.
वो रखा है ना जब कल आना था तो कल ही लॉकर खाली करता था.
May I have already resigned, so who knows? They can cut my locker anytime.
They can steal your stuff.
Bye bye.
You're on Instagram?
Yeah. Loi last day gi loisin bi khare hazikti tora hayeng amuka daytime da laaga HR ko unagani aigi headset gumba aigi CI card gumba si mayam submit tawni aduga aigi experience ke reliving adu daloina irani and finally bye bye to this company sahi mari ga tha tangkhai hela Rashi company sida. And finally it's time to go back home. Alright, siya mga ire. Ano din nga sige vlog se. Swadalosan birasi. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.